Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to hide followers in Instagram. Before you get started, please subscribe to the channel. So first of all, open up Instagram app. Then if we go to our profile, we can see the number of followers here. And by default, any user can tap right here where it says followers to see your Instagram followers. If you want to prohibit someone to get access to your follower list, all you have to do is just stop at these three lines. Select settings and privacy, then go to account privacy, and all you have to do now is just turn on the option which is called private account. Tap at switch to private, not now, and down below it says when your account is private. Only the followers you approve you can see what you share, including your photos or videos on hashtag and location pages. And your followers and following is no guys, just followers can tap right here to see your followers list. However, if you want to hide followers list from our follower, we can get into followers and then just remove some specific follower in that way. So by this way you can hide followers in Instagram. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.